Hi, I'm Feature from Sewmate. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to sew buttonholes on an automatic sewing machine. Join me at the machine as I show you how to do it. Thanks. Buttonholes are very easy to make on an automatic brother sewing machine. So for this task, I'll be using a brother innovis NV1300 sewing machine. The process of doing this is almost similar with all the automatic sewing machines that can sew one-step buttonholes. What we need for this task is a buttonhole foot. You need the buttons that you need to sew the buttonholes for. You also need a pin for when you are opening the buttonholes. You also need a seam ripper to help you cut through the button opening. Okay, so on the brother innovis NV1300, I've got 10 styles to choose from for buttons. So these are all the button options that I have. I can choose any of them. So on this machine, they are under the utility stitch. For this task, I'm gonna choose buttonhole 77. Turn on your machine, choose the utility stitches there, and just choose 77. So this machine will automatically tell you that you've chosen buttonhole number 77, and it will give you a preview of what the buttonhole looks like. It will also give you the foot you are supposed to use for this task, which is foot number A, which is the buttonhole foot. So this is how the automatic buttonhole foot looks like. The markings at the front here will help you align your buttonhole so that you know exactly where your buttonhole is starting. When you're sewing buttonholes on this machine, they start from the front going backwards. This here is the pin you use to attach the buttonhole foot to the sewing machine. And at the back here, we've got a button guide plate. This is where you place your button when you want to sew the buttonhole. So once you put your button in there, the machine will automatically know what size buttonhole to make for you. So next we have to remove the presser foot that's on the machine. Lift the presser foot up with the lever at the back of your machine and remove the presser foot that's there. Lift the lever up again and attach your buttonhole foot. Lift the foot up, mark where you want your buttonhole to start, and make sure you align that with the machine here. Just lower your presser foot down. Next, pull the buttonhole lever down and make sure it's positioned behind the bracket on the buttonhole foot. Hold the upper thread in your left hand and press the stop start button. The button will start sewing for you now. Once it finishes, cut the threads, lift the presser foot up, and remove your work. That's the buttonhole there, sewn. So now to open the buttonhole, that's where you need the pin. Insert it in front of the buttock to prevent us cutting through the buttock threads there. Get your seam ripper and just cut it through, making sure not to cut the threads, okay? So that's the buttonhole there. It's working. Okay, that's it. So you can choose whichever other buttonhole you want to sew, and you can sew just the same process.